Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is just a really quick video to show you how I do the magic knot. Now, often I reference the magic knot for when I'm talking about how I join my yarns, and a lot of you have asked me to show you exactly how I do it. Now, it's sometimes called the Fisherman's Knot. We all just in the crochet community refer to it as the magic knot. Now, something to bear in mind with the magic knot. It works fantastically 99.9% of the time. Now that 0.001% or whatever that extra percent, 1%, I can't do maths. That one time it doesn't work will be because you are using a slippery yarn. Now, slippery yarns such as Karen Simply Soft, they do not hold the magic knot. So the only way to test if your magic knot is going to hold is to be really rough and firm with it. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. This is my preferred method for joining yarn. Now there's lots of different methods, but this is my personal preferred method. So I'm using two different strands of yarn here to show you exactly how the magic knot is done. So I have my yellow strand and I have this sort of greeny teal strand. So with this sort of blue tealy sage strand, I'm going to place it over my mustard yarn and I'm going to tie a knot, just a normal knot like you were tying your shoelaces. Just going to tie the knot onto that yellow one. Then I'm going to take the yellow one and place it over, lay it over this sage one, and I'm going to tie a knot. Like so. Then carefully and slowly pull both ends together. Now your knots may come a little bit loose, like my mustard one is here. Just tighten up a little bit and keep pulling them together. Keep going, keep pulling them together. You can sort of force the knots together if you want to, but keep pulling. And they will, where they meet, they will knot together. Now, pull these little loose ends up too. Give it another tug. You can see how firm I am being with this. I'm pulling, pulling, pulling. Once you are happy that this is not going to come undone, you can trim these ends. Now you can trim them nice and close to the knot itself. Now this is where a magic knot, if it's going to come undone, will come undone. So this is a perfect test. See, I've trimmed off those two ends very, very close to this knot. Give it another test, because often when you're rushing and you just join them together, you knot them, pull them together, it looks fine, snip them, carry on crocheting, and if it's slippery yarn, it's not going to hold. But as you can see, I am being very rough with this. I'm really pulling on the yarn and this knot is not coming undone. And when you work it into your crochet piece, it doesn't even show. So this is how I do the magic knot. Don't be fooled by the name. It's not as magic as it sounds, and you really do need to test it just to make sure that it's going to hold. And when you're 100% confident, you are good to go. So I hope that helps. I hope that shows you clearly how I do my magic knot. And let me know, do you like the magic knot? Have you ever had a magic knot come undone? Slippery yarns, it will come undone. But give it a good old test beforehand, and if it's holding, then you're good to go. All right, so I hope that helps, and I will see you again on my channel very soon. Bye.